Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon PIXMA MG2525 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, we find many options. Go to the system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like and here type Canon MG2525 printer driver and hit enter key. And go to the first link from the usa.canon.com. So Canon support for PIXMA MG2525 our printer name or this link. I go to the first link from the us.canon.com. Open our link. Here we find the official website of our printer. Here we find our printer name PIXMA MG2525. Here we find our printer name. Okay. Click on the software and drivers or scroll down and here we find softwares and drivers. Expand it. Click on that. It's expand. Here we find our operating system. If it's not detect, then select Windows. If Windows 10 and the bit is not right, then click at here. If Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the plain Windows. If Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Scroll down. Here we find printer driver and scan utility installer. Then whatever version number is, then click on this download. Wait for a few seconds and download is started at the top. Here we find our download is completed. Click on the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our setup file and this printer setup file is actually zip file and we are going to unzip it. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK and new folder is extracted on desktop. Double click on it, double click on it, double click on the driver and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install this driver. That is very easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up in a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed. New option. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Existing port is the most IMP part. Go to the existing port. Click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Here we find Havdix. Click on the Havdix. Click on the browse, go to the desktop, go to our newly extracted folder, double click on it, double click on the driver, select any file, all file contains same driver, select any file, click on open, click on OK. Here we find Canon MG2500 series printer. This series printer include our printer name Canon MG2525. Our printer is also included in this series printer. So select this and click on the next. Give any name that you want. I give Canon MG2525. You can give any name that you want. Click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take less than 1 minute. So be patient and wait for less than 1 minute to completely and properly install this printer. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this on the network, then last option iTunes. So I select do not share this printer. First option, click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Canon MG2525, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110%. in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.